Audio Jungle.
Hello,
I'm Yerim Chae.
and I am Taieun Kang.
We would like to talk about the seriousness of the environmental today. Does it seem that environmental pollution is too severe these days?
Yes, I think so. These days, it seems to be serious enough that the global average temperature can rise by about 1 degree if done wrong.
It is also sad that a lot of garbage is thrown on the ground around us these days.
It is said that even such trivial things cause global warming, so let's take a look at the photos of garbage found in our school.
Now let's connect with a Woori Bong reporter who came out for an interview on the spot.
Reporter Bong.
Yes, this is a reporter Bong, and I just returned from an interview with the question, what environmental problem do you think is the most serious now?
I think most of the people will not really think about it, but I am sure that every problems such as pollution, global warming, and all that are caused by increasing population. Now we can't even control it.
Well, I think global warming is the most problematic now. Global warming seems to be the biggest problem due to the extreme climate change and the rising temperature of the earth.
I think pollution is the most urgent problem because everyone in Earth are polluting by the people who waste things and not care about these things really much. So that is caused the danger today, I think.
People do not realize what's going on the earth. We have to change our awareness. We must observe what happens and how changes on earth.
First of all, I could say that many people are quite paying attention to the environmental issues around them. The most common answer was pollution for 44 percentages. The second most popular answer was global warming for 32 percentages. And the last one will be overpopulation for 24 percentages.
Okay, thanks for letting us know.
This time we will invite Professor Yerim Chae and assistant Yelin Kim to discuss about the answer for the interviews.
Yes, hello. I'm Yerim Chae, professor, and I'm looking for environment problems and solutions in the GV lab.
Hi, my name is Yerim, and I'm the assistant working with Professor Joe.
Today, we are going to learn about serious environmental problems and how to solve them.
So before that, Professor Joe will first tell you about the current state of our planet's ecosystem.
Yes, the future ecosystem is at risk right now. You can easily check the fact that the ecosystem is in danger around you. The sea surface temperature of the Korean Peninsula, which is surrounded by sea three sides, is rising due to global warming, so Busan and Incheon airports could soon be submerged in the sea. It is appropriate to use the case as an example.
Yes, that's right. From now on, we'll explain about the problems based on the interviews.
Okay, so the top answer was about pollution. Pollution of the earth is mainly caused by factors such as toxins and gases emitted from factories, combustion of fossil fuels, acid rain or spills, and industrial waste.
So after that, the second most common answer was global warming.
The simple explanation of global warming is that the sunlight passes through the atmosphere and is absorbed by the Earth's surface, making the Earth hotter.
So the greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide act like a blanket that traps heat near the surface and raises the temperature.
Activities such as driving cars, using fossil fuels, and working in factories and agriculture also increase the gases that keeps the planet hot. If there are too many of these gases in the atmosphere, the Earth's temperature starts to rise, which is global warming.
Oh, So, lastly, please explain about the overpopulation.
The growing population requires agriculture, which requires a lot of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. This will cause more damage to the planet.
Oh, not only this, and as the population increases, more means of transportation are used, and the amount of waste produced increases, which also has a great effect on destroying the ecosystem. Well, Professor Zhou, what can we do to help to solve these problems?
Okay, first of all, the most we can do is reduce the use of single-use items. With single-use products, they flow into the ocean and sink into the ocean, where the waste is landfilled on the ocean floor. So it has become soil pollution. The second is to conserve electricity. Be sure to turn off the power or unplug the power outlet after using electronic products. You can save so much energy. Third is recycling. You should also try to use eco-friendly products to maintain a safe environment. They reduce the amount of waste that goes to landfills and thus prevent global population. No, not population, pollution.
Okay.
Sorry.
Until now, this was GYB anchor Yerim Chae. Thank you.